Hello and welcome to our video on watch brands from India. India has a rich history of craftsmanship and design, and the watch industry is no exception. In recent years, Indian watch brands have gained prominence not only in the domestic market but also globally. In this video, we will take a look at the top 3 Indian watch brands. 3. The Bangalore Watch Company. The Bangalore Watch Company is a relatively new Indian watch brand that has made a name for itself in the industry. The Bangalore Watch Company was founded in 2017. One of the unique features of the Bangalore Watch Company is their focus on local craftsmanship. The Bangalore Watch Company offers a range of collections. The Renaissance Automatic Collection is the brand's flagship collection and features watches with a classic design and a mechanical automatic movement. The Mach 1 collection is a more modern collection, with watches that have a sporty and edgy look. The brand's latest collection, the Purnima, is inspired by the full moon and features watches with a unique moon phase complication. 2. HMT. HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools, was once a government-owned company that produced watches, among other things. HMT watches are known for their simple and elegant designs. HMT was established in 1953 and was primarily involved in the manufacturing of machine tools. The company ventured into the watch industry in 1961 and soon became one of the largest watch manufacturers in India. HMT watches offer a range of collections, each with its own unique design and features. The Janata collection is one of the most popular collections and features watches with a simple and classic design. The Pilot collection is a more modern collection, with watches that have a sporty and edgy look. HMT watches also offer a range of dress watches, such as the Sona and the Kohinoor collections. 1. Titan. Titan is one of the most popular and recognized watch brands in India. Founded in 1984, Titan has become a household name for watches. Titan offers a wide range of watches that cater to different price points, styles and functions. Their watches are known for their quality and reliability. Fastrack is a brand under the Titan umbrella and is targeted towards the youth market. Fastrack watches are known for their bold and trendy designs. Fastrack also offers a range of smartwatches that come with features like activity tracking, notifications and more. Indian watch brands have come a long way and are now competing with some of the top international brands. Indian watch brands are known for their quality, reliability and affordability. So, the next time you're in the market for a new watch, consider checking out some of these Indian brands. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.